Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Christina, your fashion and beauty advisor. Today is one of my short videos where I want to show you an eyeliner technique. Today's eyeliner technique is inspired by the runway bride Natalie Portman from the iconic Miss Dior fragrance ad from 2015. So without any further ado, let's jump onto the actual tutorial. If you're using a liquid eyeliner, that would be great. However, I'm going to use this pen eyeliner as I don't really have a liquid one at the moment. It's a Karl Lagerfeld eyeliner and it looks like this. And I'm basically going to follow the lash line. When I come here, I want a continuation of my lower lash line. As long as I add loads of pink blush and clip my hair at the back, I am ready. So this is the final look of the Miss Dior advert, and I really hope you like it, and comment and like down below. And I'll see you in my next video. That's it for today. Thank you and bye bye.